What's up, everybody? Welcome back. And in this section, I'm going to go over website hosting and domains. Website hosting is a server that will host and store your website content, such as your images, your index files, all your videos, and necessary files for your web page. Your host will assign an address to your domain name. This way, anyone can find your website through just typing in your domain name. Now, a domain is a web address used to find your content hosted on the World Wide Web. So when someone types in your domain name, they'll be able to find your content that is hosted in the form of a website. You will first need to buy a hosting package before getting a domain, and the hosting company that I recommend is beyondhosting.com. There's a number of other ones such as GoDaddy and Namecheap. There's some other cheaper ones out there, but I chose Beyond Hosting because their servers are faster and they're more reliable. You can get their smallest package, which is $49.99 a month. And once you make that purchase, you'll be able to log into that server and have access to your cPanel. And the cPanel is where you'll upload and have access to all your website files. Okay, before you promote your offer, you also need to buy a domain name. And this domain name should be relevant to the niche that you're promoting. So if you're promoting something in the health and wellness niche, then you can pick something like consumerhealthreports.org. All right, after you purchase your server, you will then be assigned a name server, and you will need to go into your domain name settings and change the default name server to the name server of your new hosting. Now, this must happen so that your new domain points to the files on that specific server. And if you have trouble doing this, you can contact the server customer support, and typically if you put in a support ticket with Beyond Hosting, they'll be more than happy to do it for you. Also, I will be discussing and showing how to upload your landing page with all your tracking links to your server in the tracking section of this course. Okay, so when you go to Beyond Hosting, what you'll need to do is go over to pricing here. And you can just pick this package here. This would be sufficient enough for the amount of traffic that you're going to run. It's $49 a month, has plenty of bandwidth. You shouldn't have any lag or any, downtime with this server. Once you purchase that server, like I said, you'll get a name server, which you will then need to point your domain name to. So go over to products, click on domains. Once you come up with a clever domain name, click find my domain and then see if it's available. If it's available, then you can go ahead and make a purchase as well. And that's it, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.